Hey, welcome back, guys. Today on this video, we're talking about Cash App, and more specifically, I'm going to try to give you an option on how to add funds into your Cash App without a debit card. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Cash App, it's definitely one of the more popular peer-to-peer payment apps out there on the market. Basically what it is just an easy way for you to send family and friends money through this app. Once they get it, they can withdraw it into their bank account and they get it almost immediately. But how do you add funds without having a debit card? That's what we're going to talk about. I'm going to go ahead and open up my Cash App. It's this green and white app right here. If you don't have this app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But I'm going to go ahead and open it now. All right, guys, I went ahead and opened my Cash App, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, you can request money and pay people through Cash App. But this is a question I've been getting a lot lately from a lot of the subscribers, and that's how do you add funds into your Cash App without a debit card? Well, unfortunately, at this time, Cash App does require you to attach a debit card in order to use the Cash App. But I was looking around and I found a workaround, but unfortunately, you're going to have somebody in your house that has a Cash App with a debit card in order for this to work. And basically what they're going to do is, if you click right here on your balance, mine's $217, yours will be something different. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you click there, then you're going to see add bank or add debit card. And if you don't have a debit card, then you're just not going to be able to add money into your balance here. So what I might recommend is go ahead and contact a family or friend who has Cash App that has a debit card. And what you can do is you can ask them to accept cash from you, green cash. All you're going to do is give that to them. Once they get that cash, then they can use their bank account to deposit money into their Cash App. Once that money is inside of their Cash App, then you can have them send it directly into your Cash App. And they'll just need your cashtag name or your cell phone number or email or whatever it is that you have associated with your Cash App. So it's not really a direct process and it's kind of a workaround. I might want to caution you though, don't give cash to somebody that you don't know or who you think they might steal the money. Because if you give them cash and they don't deposit the money into their debit card and then add money into their debit card and then send it to you, you're just going to be out completely from that money. So I know this works because my nephew asked me to deposit money into their Cash App. They don't have a bank account or a debit card. So what he did is he gave me cash, and then all I did was add cash here on my Cash App. Let me click there. I added the amount of money that he gave me into my Cash App. And then once the money's in my Cash App right here, all I did was go here to the home screen. And then once you're here on the home screen, you can go ahead and choose to send that person the money that they gave you. Let's just say $12. And then once you're here, you click on pay. And then once you click on pay, you'll go ahead and enter in their phone number or email. And then you'll click this green pay button up here. And then that way, once you pay them, it goes directly into their Cash App and they'll have money on their Cash App. So once again, it's kind of a long roundabout process and you need to have somebody that you trust who's not going to steal the money from you. But that is one way that you can deposit money onto your Cash App without having a debit card. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up. If you feel like that workaround is not a good idea, be sure to click thumbs down or maybe share it with your friend. But hopefully you found that video useful, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.